Technology, crop science. Today I will talk about acid rain. Acid rain is a serious and dangerous problem because it is very harmful to the environment. It is a rain that has a very high concentration of acid-forming chemicals. In general, it is a rain that forms when gases such as CO2 and SO2, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide react with water in the atmosphere. It can kill microorganisms, poison plants, damage metal and limestone, and kill fish. It can damage everything over a short period of time. Thus, for this reason, I love to share with all of you about the effect of acid rain to our health, ecosystem and non-living things. Acid rain affects human beings in many different ways. One main way is our health. Acid rain could also affect on the air, which can make the acid air pollution. Most of the breathing and lungs problem in children and adults, such as asthma and bronchitis, will link to acid air pollution. There are increased number of respiratory illness and lung disorder due to this problem. Another effect of acid rain are most clearly seen in the aquatic or water environment, such as streams, lakes and marshes. Acid rain falls to streams, lakes and marshes after falling on forests, buildings and roads. Acid rain also affect on aquatic habitat. Most lake and streams have a pH between 6 and 8. However, some lakes are naturally acidic even without the effect of acid rain. Lakes and streams become acidic when the water and its surrounding soil cannot buffer the acid rain enough to neutralize it. As lake and stream become more acidic, the number and the type of fish and other aquatic plants that live in this water are decreased. Some types of plants and animals are able to tolerate with the acidic water, but some not able to survive. Then, just like acid rain can damage living things, it also could harmful non-living things like buildings, statues, and historical monuments. Commonly on all gravestones, acid rain cause the encryption and completely illegible. Acid rain also increase the corrosion rate of metal, in particular iron, steel, and bronze. Famous buildings like the Statue of Liberty in New York, the Taj Mahal in India, and St. Paul Cathedral in London have all been damaged by this sort of air pollution. There are several ways can be used to solve this problem. One of them was spraying trees with water to wash off the acid rain, but unfortunately this way is not very effective. We can replace coal fire station with gas fire station like Canada has been done. We also can add limestone to the lakes, river and soil. However, this way is very expensive and costs a lot of money, and it also takes a very long time. Another way is fitted equipment in some power stations to remove emission such as SO2 and NO2. This is an effective way, but at the same time it is too expensive. In the nutshell, acid rain is very important issue that has bad effects in the environment. There will be many health problems could be avoided if acid rain became a little less problem. We can help to stop this acid rain by a very simple way, which is not polluting the air. As they say, prevention is better than cure. Even children can help prevent this pollution by several ways, like using less electricity and using transportation that is friendly to the environment. So that's all for me. Thank you for lending me your ears.